Hi there, this is Miss Liv at the Fox Lake District Library, and I'm here to walk you guys through the summer reading program. So, before we begin, we just have to make sure that we are on the Fox Lake District Library homepage. So all you have to do is in your search engine, just type up Fox Lake District Library, and you will see our website, and you just give it a click. Okay, so now we have our sidebar here, which is all of our services, and across this we have on the middle of your screen the summer reading tab. So we just click that, and this is our home page for our summer reading program this year, and it's split up into 3 different ages: children's, which is birth to entering 6th grade; teens, which is entering 6th grade and leaving 12th grade; and adults is anybody 18 years or older. It also has the date for summer reading, so summer reading will start June 15th and end August 15th. Down here, you see that we have an option to print your reading logs. That's if you would like to keep track of your minutes or books before you put them in online to your Wandu Reader account. And again, this has all 3 programs, so both all children's, teens, and adults. Also, if you can't log into your Wandu Reader or having trouble, definitely just email us at foxlakelibrary@fllib.org, and we'd love to answer any questions that you may have. Alrighty, so let's just head over to children. So this is going to be our Wandu Reader homepage. On the right, you see our message board. So here you have everything from how to sign up to what you'll need to sign up. Also, just little reminders to keep track of your minutes and to pick up your prizes. Now, how we're doing prizes is it's going to be scheduled like a curbside pickup, and that's going to be beginning July 15th. Again, it's going to give you an option to print off those reading logs. At the very bottom, you have our grand prizes. Our grand prize winners will be notified August 16th. And as you can see here, there's only pre-K to 6th grade prizes here. That's because this is a children's summer reading. However, if you log into your adults summer reading or your teen summer reading, the prizes are going to be different. Alrighty, so let's just head on up. So as we log in, we are just going to hit the link join here. Alright, and it's going to ask for your grade. I'm just going to do 4th grade. Hit submit. Alright, and then just to finish the registration form, we have your name. So I will just do a random name. However, we definitely encourage you guys to use your real name. So let's do that's my name. And then the email, I'm just going to use the Fox Lake District Libraries. Lake. .org. Alright, and then my username. For your username and password, definitely be original, definitely be creative. However, we just ask that you remember your username and password because it's just nice to have them on hand, written down, or even on your phone. Alrighty, so my username is going to be my password. Very original again. Alright, and then it's just going to ask you to verify. Now the game difficulty, so that is going to go for our storyline that the Wandu Reader program has installed. It's a fun and way to encourage you guys to keep your reading throughout the summer. So I'm just going to choose medium, and again, grade 4. My school, the closest school to us is Stanton, so I'm just going to pick Stanton. And then my location is automatically going to be sent to the Fox Lake District Library. Now, it's just going to ask you some additional questions here, and this is super simple. So, do you have the Fox Lake Library card? I do, so I'm going to hit yes. and then create account. Oh, okay, so this is good. So this username has already been taken. Totally fine. We'll just come up with a new one. Let's see. Alrighty, and then again, it's just gonna ask you to do your password over. No worries. Alrighty, so here we are, and then back to create account. Alrighty, oh. Okay, so it says we've already won a prize. How exciting! Okay, so this is our, we won a prize because we signed up, we logged in, and again, we're going to remember that the way to pick up our prizes is through scheduling a curbside pickup after July 15th. So we're just going to X out of that. So Master M is the storyline that I was telling y'all about. Again, it's an encouraging way to encourage you to keep reading throughout the summer, and it's just a fun, like, neat little feature that this Wonder Reader has. But I'm not going to spoil it for you, so I am just going to click X for all those little pop-ups. Now here you have my character that I've chosen. Alright, so this is going to be our home page. And this is where you log in your reading books. So your book title is the book that you're currently reading. So I am reading Walk to Moons. And I'm just going to click the book cover. And the amount of time I read was 30 minutes. I haven't finished the book, so I can't check this little box that I've finished. Nor do I have a review for the book yet. But those are two options that you can do. However, I'm just not going to do them right now. So we hit submit reading. So right here is just telling you that you've submitted 30 minutes of reading time. Oh, and it's saying that we've leveled up, which is I'm going to explain a little later. Alrighty, we're just going to go through those. Over here, we have our community reading goal. So we have set this amount of minutes for the community to reach their reading goal. So so far, we've got 270 minutes. And at the top, this little bar here is going to show you the percentage progress. Now, it's at 0 right now, but I'm betting by the end of the summer, this is going to be 100%. At least I surely hope so. Our current challenge right now is reading 100 minutes. So that's lovely because I've already got 30 minutes down, so I just need another 70. With this, this is where the current challenge is going to be. And now again, we're at the home page. You just scroll down, and in this little box under the photo, it says read 100 minutes and earn a coupon for free small fries from McDonald's. So that's going to be in this little box is your challenge and then what you're going to earn from that challenge. Alrighty, now let's just scroll up. Now we're going to go onto the Books tab. Again, this is Master M. So here again is where we can log in our reading minutes, our book title and our minutes. So just a reminder, you can log your reading in both the books and the home page tab. And on the right side, you can see there's My Books. That is going to be where all of my books are going to be that I've read or that I've just put in the minutes for. It's all going to be there, and you can also print out these logs. If you want, when you go back to school, you can show your teacher what you've been reading over the summer, or maybe even if you just want to keep that for yourself, that's pretty cool too. Alrighty, so we're going to go to our challenge tab next. Oh, here's Master M again. Let me just click that character. Alrighty. See, yep, I'm not going to spoil it for you. Alrighty, so back to the challenges. So we have already gotten, like I said, we've already put in a dent in this, our reading to 100 minutes challenge. However, if you scroll down, you can see that there's also so many other challenges that we have for you. And it's just a fun way to again, encourage you guys to read and do something fun. Like one of the challenges to make a recipe from a cookbook. Like that's going to be so much fun. Alrighty, so let's go to the awards tab. Alrighty, so as I said before, we have our sign-up prize. And again, it's curbside pickup style. But you see how on this little, on the right side here, it says not redeemed and the little checkbox is empty. That's because we haven't set up an appointment or a curbside pickup appointment after July 15th to go get our prize. So until that happens, this is going to say not redeemed. You can also print out your prize award certificates, again, in case you want to show your teacher or just for you to have for fun. Alrighty, so up on top you see that I am on level 2, that's what this little 2 here is for, and then I have 170 credits and that I've read for 30 minutes. So let me show you what I can do with these credits. So I'm going to go back to home, and then my avatar friend, I am going to change her, and again, don't want to ruin the storyline, so I can either choose to change her head to this alien thing, change her outfit, or even change her body type. Okay, so like this is stone. And all of these are credits. So the Rocky head is 50 credits, so I'm just going to buy that. Archaeologist is 50, I'll buy that. And you can see up top that I've spent 100 credits, so I have 70 left. And let's see, you can also do the book reviews. This is where you see them when you log in your book minutes. When it says add review, you can go see all of your reviews here. You just click this little thumbs up. But remember, I don't have any reviews yet, but I definitely will. Alright, and lastly, I just want to remind you guys to log out. So you're going to hit this gear icon and it's the settings, and then you just hit log out. And log out. And it takes you back to this login screen, and where you can just log in here and then log in. Alrighty, so that concludes our tutorial on the summer reading program. Remember, if anybody has any questions or just wants some more clarification, feel free to give us a call or email us at foxlakelibrary@fllib.org.